Getting late is common and everyone wants to go faster, but we can't cross the speed limit mentioned on this signboard to reach faster. But imagine if you could travel faster than the speed of light by using warp drive technology. So how does it work? How fast can we travel using it? And will it be ever possible? This is Colossal Mind, and here's what would happen if you could travel faster than light. According to famous German theoretical physicist Albert Einstein, traveling faster than light is physically impossible as c is the universal speed limit. So is there any way to travel faster than the speed of light? Well, according to scientists, it is possible by using something called warp drive technology as shown in the movie Star Trek, by which we could travel more than 10 times faster than the speed of light. So how does it work? Warp drive involves generating a bubble of negative energy around an object so that the fabric of spacetime ahead of the object contracts and the space behind it expands. In the center is a flat region of spacetime where the object can travel in comfort, where any occupants wouldn't even feel like they're moving. You can imagine it like folding a paper to join two dots made on opposite ends of a paper. Spacecraft traveling at warp do not experience time dilation. The reason is that time dilation exists when an object travels at high speed. In a warp drive spacecraft, the spacecraft doesn't actually travel through space at all. They are essentially removed from the space-time continuum within the warp field. The warp field protects it from the external effects of time. In other words, it's not the ship that's traveling through space, but rather, the ship is moving the space around itself. So, simply going faster than light does not inherently lead to backwards time travel. Very specific conditions must be met, and, of course, the speed of light remains the maximum speed of anything with mass. Now we know how it works, but how far can it take us? If we warp drive 10 times faster than c could shorten trips between Earth and Mars from 9 months to just 75 seconds or even less. We would reach habitable exoplanet Proxima Centauri b in about 83 days for humanity to settle, or even further to Gliese 667 cc, about 23.5 light-years away. This could be very helpful in finding numerous habitable planets like Earth. But we still have to spend years exploring space and finding planets like Earth, as the universe is enormous and expanding every second. For example, if we plan to go to the outmost corner of the Milky Way, we would be taking 22 years to reach. So will it be ever possible? Well, we are not sure about that, but many scientists believe it may be possible. But even if it is possible, it would require a tremendous amount of energy. So first, we have to find a source of tremendous energy like zero-point energy or Dyson sphere to meet the demands of this superfast interstellar travel technology. Well, we have to save these topics for another video.